Hello everyone, welcome to our video tutorial on addition and subtraction of algebraic expression. This tutorial will go through with you some examples on how to do such questions. Today I have two examples, 1 and 2 here, and let's start on number 1. Okay, so the first one we have 5x plus 3x. So before I even do this question, I want to remind you all of this certain concept. There are two terms here, 5x and 3x. That's number one. Secondly is we need to understand what are the signs for this 5x and 3x. Signs meaning we need to know whether they are positive or negative. So how to determine this is by looking at the individual terms and the sign that follows the sign that comes before the individual terms. It's clear for 3x that a positive follows the term 3x. That means 3x is positive. Okay, for 5x, there is no sign in front of this 5x. So it means this 5x is a positive. It is understood to be positive 5x. Okay, so since both terms are positive, to simplify them, we just add 5 plus 3 is 8, right? So our answer is 8x. Okay, let's look at example number 2. Slightly more complicated. We have 8x minus 10x plus 7x. Okay, so let us separate or let us find out what are the different signs for all these three terms. Okay, so 8x is a positive, 10x is negative, and 7x is a positive. So how we are going to do this is 8x minus 10x. Okay, I have a negative 2x and then plus 7x. Let's do our working properly first. Okay, so this one will give us a 5x. Minus 2 plus 7 is 5x. Okay, I want to show you an alternative working on how we can approach this kind of question. Okay, so our alternative is to do a rearrangement of all your terms. Okay, I will copy down the original expression 8x minus 10x plus 7x. This is the original expression. What I'm going to do is, these are my individual terms. What I'm going to do is I will rearrange all these terms in terms of their signs. So I will group my positive terms first. Okay, so these are my positive terms, these are my negative terms. I'm going to simplify them. Okay, 8 plus 7 is 15x, so I have put 15x first and then minus 10x. Then this one equals to 15 minus 10 is 5, so I have a 5x here. So my answers are still the same, 5x and 5x over here. Okay, one more tip, let's look at this portion. Okay, let's look at this portion, minus 2x plus 7x. Okay, so I'm going to bring it down here. Another way to look at this is by rearranging the negative 2 and positive 7. That means if you cannot do a negative 2 plus 7x, what you can do also is put the 7x in front and the minus 2x at the back. So we can calculate easily. 7 minus 2 is 5, right? So we have a 5x. Okay, so if you see carefully, all answers are the same, 5x, okay, 5x and 5x here. All methods will give us the same answer. Okay, it's just a matter of preference and which one you are comfortable with. Okay guys, so what you can do after this is to go back to our worksheet or your workbook and do the tutorial on addition and subtraction of algebraic expression. Alright, I wish you all the best. I see you at the next tutorial.